everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new around here. My name is Eliza and this is gonna be an exciting video because I have a Chanel unboxing for you today. I'm very excited about this particular unboxing and I can't wait to share with you my first impression about this bag, talk to you through some bits and pieces and do a little bit of disclosure at the end of the video. So stay with me and let's get started. I need this particular bag in a very light beige color just because I have too many black bags, and as you can see this bag is simply outstanding. It has sort of ruthenium hardware, if I'm not mistaken. It's a mix of gold, silver and sort of washed out or brushed metal. Overall this bag is absolutely stunning. As you can see, the leather is very soft. If I'm not mistaken, it's a lambskin or calfskin leather, which is absolutely soft and delicate. So of course you need to be super careful with this bag, but isn't it just look stunning? Now as you can see, it has a very beautiful hardware and the top handle is sort of a brushed gold hardware. Now it has a very spacious back pocket here with clip-in and it says Chanel. Absolutely stunning. I think it's a very beautiful bag, although you have to keep your outfits very simple because it's a very sort of a dressy bag compared to the black bag where you can just wear it with everything. This one is a bit more elegant. Now as you can see, this bag is actually very soft and delicate, as I mentioned before. However, these side bits are quite hard and sturdy, as it should be. Now everything about the bag is perfect. The stitching is on point. The top bits are really hard. Now the interior of this bag has a matching fabric, which is so good. We have also the logo here because I haven't removed this protection thingy. Now as you can see, the interior is quite spacious. It's just one big compartment. Now the side pocket here has a nice zip closure. It has the authenticity card inside, also the same fabric lining inside. Everything is made just on point. Now as I think, despite being a very the smallest size on this range, I think this is the best size of all, 26 centimeters, very similar to the classic flap one, because the largest sizes, on my opinion personally, they look a bit weird. Now this is the perfect size of the bag. And I've read up several articles that this particular model is going to be the next classic, so I'm so happy to have it. Now everything is about this bag is absolutely stunning and perfect, but consider this: if you not carrying a lot with you, this will be very squishy, and because of the delicate leather, it can get scratches very easily. So please be conscious of what you're wearing, because I mean this is such a beautiful bag and it will be such a pity just to ruin it because of the the lack of attention. So you have to baby this bag really. Now I simply love this bag and I have no complaints at all. This bag looks absolutely perfect. The stitching is on point, the hardware is just absolutely amazing. So, but I need to make a disclosure that this is a not a real Chanel bag. That's actually a mirrored Chanel bag from the store UA Women's. They've contacted me and kindly offered me to review this particular bag because I have like 5 real Chanel bags and I know the deal. So I decided to take it and just to see how it looks like and the attention to details and all that kind of stuff. I'm in no way supporting the replicas or fakes, but I had genuine interest to review a mirrored bag, and I need to say that this bag is exquisite. This is an absolute winner. I mean, no one will really notice that it's not a real bag because it is a real deal. It looks absolutely on point. I mean, you guys, I haven't seen such high quality bags before, and I'm really stunned. I'm really stunned, I need to say. And it comes with all the paperwork, all the authenticity cards, all the dust bags, all the books, very well wrapped. I'm not calling myself an expert, but if you would say that this bag is not real, I would not believe you, because it looks 100% real, and I'm astonished, to be honest. I love this. Now you will find the details of this particular website on the description box down below, as well as the 10% discount code to get this and some other beauties from their website. I mean, you guys, I'm not supporting it, but I was really astonished seeing the quality of it. So if you can't afford a proper luxury bag, I think this could be a great deal, because I mean, this is 100% authentic. I can't complain. I love it. Now, I hope you guys liked this unboxing today. Do let me know if you want to see more of such unboxings, because soon I'm gonna be doing an authentic Chanel unboxing for you, which I'm super excited about. Now, if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and let's talk in the comment section down below. And I will see you very, very soon on my next video.